Have you ever wondered why certain products seem to be pushed so hard in stores? Why do salespeople always seem to have a favorite brand or product? It might be because of something called spiffs or push money. What are spiffs or push money? Spiffs, short for Sales Performance Incentive Funds, and push money are essentially bonuses or incentives given to salespeople to encourage them to sell specific products. These can come in various forms, from cash bonuses to gift cards or even extra vacation days. The goal is to motivate salespeople to prioritize certain products, often those that are new, in surplus, or have a higher profit margin for the retailer. How do spiffs work? Spiffs can be structured in different ways. Sometimes, salespeople receive a flat fee for each unit sold of a particular product. Other times, the bonus might be based on a percentage of the total sales of the product. In some cases, salespeople might need to meet a specific sales quota before they qualify for the bonus. The impact of spiffs on consumers. While spiffs can be beneficial for retailers by increasing sales of specific products, they can also have an impact on consumers. Here are a few ways. Product bias. Salespeople might be more likely to recommend products that offer them a higher commission, even if they aren't the best fit for the customer's needs. Price inflation. In some cases, retailers might pass on the cost of spiffs to consumers in the form of higher prices. Limited product choice. If salespeople are heavily incentivized to sell certain products, consumers might have a more limited selection to choose from. Ethical considerations. The use of spiffs raises ethical questions. Some argue that they can create a conflict of interest for salespeople, who might be tempted to prioritize their own financial gain over the customer's best interests. Others contend that spiffs can be a valuable tool for motivating salespeople and driving sales. The future of spiffs. As consumer awareness and expectations continue to evolve, the use of spiffs is likely to come under increased scrutiny. Retailers and manufacturers will need to strike a balance between incentivizing salespeople and ensuring that customers are treated fairly. So, the next time you're in a store and a salesperson seems particularly enthusiastic about a certain product, it might be because they're getting a little extra incentive to sell it. While spiffs can be a useful tool for driving sales, it's important to be aware of their potential impact and to make informed decisions as a consumer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.